It's easy to breathe easier with the new Tweco Centrovac fume extraction MIG guns. Centrovac extracts welding fumes at the source, the gun nozzle, so you can reduce exposure to hexavalent, chromium, magnesium, galvanized steel, and other welding fumes. It works together with a Carryback 2 portable extraction unit, which filters polluted air and captures it in a hygienically packed filter. Tweco offers 3 Centrovac models that cover solid, cord, and aluminum wires up to 1/16 inch diameter. Centrovac helps operators work more comfortably, and not just because they'll breathe easier. These guns are among the lightest in their class. They feature an ergonomic and well-balanced handle, complemented by an adjustable steel knuckle joint that reduces perceived cable weight and helps when welding around corners. The fume shroud is fixed to front of the gun as standard, while an optional fume shroud design helps with access to certain joints. Operators can easily adjust fume extraction rates to accommodate different wires and welding positions. Even at high volume, Centrovac's fume extraction will not interfere with shielding gas coverage. Together with process, gas, and wire selection, tappers and ventilation systems, Centrovac plays a key role in an integrated fume mitigation strategy. When you want cleaner air in your shop, reach for Tweco Centrovac and breathe easy.